And then there's the character that comes to the theater. We call her the Yankee. She's a real Yankee from Boston with a Minsker accent. She'll generally say something like,
I never go to Jewish theater because I don't understand Jewish.
Die ganze Welt ist ein Theater, auf der Bühne spiel ich schon von Jahren. In wir sei euch, seid ihr, will ich machen, probier, weisen wir, seid euch von mir.
Take a step behind the curtain in Oh Mama, I'm in Love, the story of the Yiddish stage. Join leading scholars as they trace the history of Jewish performance from the Purim play and the Wedding Jester to the Yiddish theater's modest beginnings in Romania to its flourishing on the streets of New York. Explore Yiddish theater as a global phenomenon and learn about the unique talents of its greatest actors.
Tomaszewski had the most beautiful pair of legs on the Yiddish stage.
Discover how Yiddish theater artists transformed theatrical culture around the world and the lasting impact they had on popular entertainment. Immerse yourself in nearly 1,000 archival objects and documents, including never-before-seen photographs, newly digitized audio clips, original posters and ads, and vibrant set and costume designs that bring the Yiddish theater to life.